Thank you for choosing Frizzlife. Let's take a look at how to use the filtered shower head correctly. Inspect the system to ensure nothing is left out or damaged during shipping. If there are any parts cracked or broken, please feel free to contact our customer service for help. Step 1. Preparation. Remove your existing shower head and any old sealant tape. Clean the shower arm threads and wrap them with the provided Teflon tape to ensure a leak-proof seal. Step 2. Filter connection. Check that the Frizzlife filter cartridge is securely placed inside the housing. Screw the filter housing inlet onto the shower arm. Step 3. Shower head setup. Optional. Install water flow restrictor. Insert the restrictor into the shower head inlet before installation. Screw the rainfall head directly onto the filter outlet. Handheld head. Connect the handheld shower head to the designated outlet. Step 4. Bracket setup. Select models. Mount the bracket, if applicable. Install the shower bracket using the screws, may require drilling, or the adhesive mount according to your preference. Step 5. Final test. Turn on the water to check for any leaks. Cycle through the different spray modes to verify the water pressure and functionality. Filter maintenance. The filter cartridge should be replaced every 3 months depending on water quality and usage. To replace the filter, shut off the water supply. Unscrew the knob above the filter housing, replace the cartridge, and reinstall securely before resuming use.